Okay, so our next example is ito naman, medyo mas malaki yung number. So, paano natin siya gagawin? Okay, so given is x, negative 2x, plus y, negative y equals negative 1, tapos positive 3. So, katulad ng dati, pababa ang pagsosolve natin. Okay, pababa, ganyan. Okay, so x plus negative 2x is negative x. Y, positive y plus negative y is 0. Negative 1 plus positive 3 is 2. Okay, so lahat ng 0 i-eliminate natin. So, mangyayari, that is negative x equals 2. Okay, so, pero, x na siya. Okay, so, x na siya. But, meron din ditong negative na, may negative na sign. Hindi pwede yan. Dapat positive lagi yung x or y natin. So, ang gagawin natin is, pag may negative kayo nakita doon sa x, ang gagawin natin is, divide natin siya with negative 1. Both sides with negative 1. Cancel. X is equals to positive 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. So the first ordered pair is, so the first ordered pair is negative 2. So this is the value of x. Okay, next, we are to solve for the value of y. So we will choose the first equation. The first equation is x plus y equals negative 1. So sulat natin, x plus y equals negative 1. So nasolve na natin yung value ng x, which is negative 2. Tapos, plus, since wala pang y, sulat natin y equals negative 1. Okay, same procedure. Itong negative 2, transfer natin sa kabila. So, pag transfer natin sa kabila, babaliktad ang sign. Y is equals to negative 1 plus 2. So negative siya dito, magiging positive siya dito. So, y is equals to negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. So the value of y is negative 2 and positive 1. So, checking natin. So, burahin muna natin ito. Okay. So, dapat, one thing about this topic is dapat eksakto siya. Pag hindi eksakto yung mga ginawa natin na solution, hindi siya tatama. Okay, so checking natin. So this is the symbol for checking. So the first step is to write the first equation. The first equation is x plus y equals negative 1. Tapos, the value of x is negative 2. The value of y is positive 1 equals 1. Okay, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So, kapareha siya nung nandito sa dulo. So, this is correct. Okay, sulat natin ulit. Negative 2x minus y equals positive 3. Then, substitute the value of x, negative 2 times, sa x natin is negative 2 din, minus, tapos ang y natin is positive 1, lagyan natin parenthesis, positive 1 equals 3. Okay, so mahalaga yung paglalagay natin ng parenthesis so that hindi tayo magkakabali ng mga signs. Okay, so negative 2, negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Tapos may minus dito. Minus na yun ay negative 10. So minus times positive 1 is negative 1. equals 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. So, equal siya. So, therefore, ang ating given na solution na nasolve natin kanina is correct. Okay, so this is example number